Hi everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. In this video, we're going to learn the way that you can upload a video into Dailymotion. If you haven't yet uploaded any videos to Dailymotion and you're trying to learn how to do so, in this video, let me show you the process. First things first, you need to head over to the website of Dailymotion. If you're using the app of Dailymotion, it does not allow you to upload any videos. So for that, you need to head over to dailymotion.com. Once you're inside of the app, you need to log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on this page. From this section, tap on the profile icon on the top right, and then head over to Studios. Studios is a section where you can upload videos as well as manage and customize your Dailymotion account. Now, through this section to upload a video, make sure you're inside of the video section, and then you can click on Add Video on the top right. Click on Select Video. Select the video that you're trying to upload. Once the video starts to upload, you'll have a section of adding in titles, descriptions, and choosing the category of the video. Choosing the category is very important as Dailymotion pushes those videos into their appropriate categories. So select the category that your video is in, and then you can click on Next. In the Audiences tab, make sure you select if this video is made for kids or not made for kids, if this video has sensitive content or not, and if this video is AI generated. Once you select these options that you want to have on your video, you can click Next again. And lastly, you need to make sure that this video is selected to public instead of private. You can also add it to a playlist later on, but for now, we're going to just click on Save. And just like that, your video now has been uploaded and now is currently being optimized for the Dailymotion platform. What you can do after the video is uploaded, click on the three dots, click on Edit, and from this section called Use Stream, you'll be able to add in a custom thumbnail. So that's all it takes in uploading videos onto Dailymotion. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.